You're about to hear probably one of the best ways to free up your time while still earning an income. Can you imagine if you could have time, financial and geographical freedom? How do you think that would change your life? And if you have a burning desire to change your life, then I could be speaking to you. Now, I'd like to talk to you about the freedom about owning your own online business brings and explain to you how it's realistically possible for everyone, and how you can spend more time with your family than ever before. Now, by clicking on this motivational video, you're probably looking for something better, and maybe you haven't found it yet. Or maybe you're tired with your present job, or your lack of time with family and friends, or that you're thinking there must be more to life than working. Now, it's odds on, or there's a very high chance that you're younger than me. Now, I started to work at 15 and I'm now over 60. So you can safely say I have work life experience. And during that time I mostly worked away from home. Now, this meant that I have, in the early years, packed my bags and said goodbye to my wife Alice and her 2 kids, and more recently to Alice and her 2 dogs, Wee Jock and Lulu, far too many times. And as you can imagine, after several years I got really tired of this. But it was interesting, I knew I had trained for this, and I said to myself, this is what I know, this is who I am. I was comfortable and probably scared of something new, possibly similar to yourself. And over the years I'd reached a level that had brought responsibilities, and I had sacrificed my time with my family for my career. And you don't have to be a remote worker, as today's pressures are forcing you to work longer and longer hours and reducing the time with your loved ones. Now, maybe you can relate to that. In my last role working on a remote mine site, I was doing at least 13.5-hour shifts. I could see the guys who were 20 to 30 years younger than me going down the same path that I had taken. And many of the mums and dads saying they were missing their kids growing up and having time with family and friends. Now, I thought, if I could find a way that I could improve my work-life balance, then I could start to live my life on my terms. I just had to be open and recognise and accept the opportunities when they were presented to me. Now, in 2016 we came across a video similar to this one, which offered free video training series introducing you to the digital economy, teaching you how you can own an online business without any need of your own products or services or any previous experience. Now, these videos have been put together by 2 of the most successful guys in the online world, Stuart and Jay, who are the founders of 6 Figure Mentors, an online educational program. And with the training and the mentoring and support from within the organisation and the community, it's enabled us to build our own online business and work with some of the best online marketers in the world. Fast forward to today. I'm now living a lifestyle that I wish I'd found years ago. However, 20 odd years ago, the ability to educate yourself online, let alone start your own online business, was unheard of. Our digital business now allows us to see each other every day, and we've now rediscovered the time that used to be taken up by me travelling and the long hours at work. Now, time is precious. Please don't wait until you're my age to find out whatever it is that you're looking for. Alice and I are now in a position that we want to give back, to share this education with people just like you who are looking to change their life for the better. Now, I'm only going to give you information that we know works and has already helped countless people around the world change their lives for the better. I'll share powerful resources which have had the biggest impact on us. Some are free, some are paid, but we only recommend stuff that we have invested in ourselves. So just click the link somewhere in this video and enter your name and your email details, and I'll send you the video straight to you. Now, this video series is completely free, so you have nothing to lose. And don't worry, you may be like me when I first saw this, as I had all the fears and doubts going through my head. I didn't have the technical skills, or I don't have the time, and my biggest fear was I'm too old. However, I can assure you that these video series will answer all these questions that are currently going through your head. Now, we are now living on our terms, and by utilising the digital economy, we can scale our business in a way that was unheard of before in traditional business. And through training and persistent action, we're in a position that we could never have achieved through trading our time for money. So what are you waiting for? Just click the link and enter your details and I'll send them straight to you. Who knows, this could be the change that you're looking for. Thanks for listening, and I'm looking forward to helping you find your change. Bye.